Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Didn't realize that it was ending. So my bad there. My bad. Nas gave re-entry. Congrats if you caught it. Wait, let me mute everyone. Let me mute everyone. So Nas entry missed me. No big deal. Today's target is what? 370, I believe. Let me just check. Today's target is 360, as a matter of fact. Okay, cool. Look at all the pairs. Sounds like somebody's not muted. There we go. That should fix that. Push the XY. Should be pushing low, as is this one. USD CAD should go for the highs. Gold should chop. EU already understands the assignment, so. And there's this guy. Silver not doing anything. What's in the chat? NAS TP is 9,000 today with buy side liquidity above us. Highly unlikely. Highly unlikely.
UCAD Baha blasted.
That's good. UCAD should push. That's the DXY strength we want to push NAS low. To push NAS below here.
No, I know.
That's what we want.
I put some in. Do you want me to?
Mute for safety.
Put it in where? What? Pause. Pause. What?
Mute for safety. Mute for safety, guys. We have kids on the call. Okay. What time is it? It's 9:58. Going into London close. Why is this slowing down? This is the last M5 candle. On M1. Where is M1? We entered 11:14. So somewhere inside here. So we're basically up about 30-40 points. But because I under leveraged, guys, yeah, my trade doesn't look sexy. I'm only up $16 now. While it should have been more.
Boy, I'm up like 70 to bomba. Hey,
so you're already
bomba clout with a blouse and skirt, you know.
You're already at the daily target then, Ed.
But me to hold on so we can all be friends together.
No, remember, I under leveraged. So if you're at the daily target, there's nothing wrong with getting the daily target because that's what I'm going for.
Nah, man, you lose, me lose too, man. We all right. You look a pussy out there watching that trading. You look a fat boys.
Ash. Ash is long gold, remember. But you know. This is the Nut Lab guys. This is the guys from the Nut Lab doing what the Nut Lab guys does best. Okay, so I need $20 more, which is another 40 points, which means I might get TP and still not reach my objective. So the other trade.
Professional traders.
If I got the second position, I would be, but there's no if, no buts, no maybe, right?
Where's the where's the TP?
11:50.
11:50. Thank you.
Yeah. So it's running down there. I don't think our stop should still be at go break even. Let's go break even. Let's go break even because on 14.7. All right, so break even and then let it run. It's moving slow and it will affect your psychology if it comes back and stops and gives you a full stop out. If it comes back and takes you a break even, then we end the day flat and it's whatever, right? We know how to take a loss. We know how to take a loss. But Ed, if you had the full position on and you could take partials, and you should be fine because it's whatever. But yeah, don't like how it's moving. So no emotions, remove the risk and relax. That's why. No emotions, remove the risk. If you get stopped out at break even, you didn't lose any money. I know persons hate break even. Yeah, so if you had the full position on, when this run pushed, you would be at the daily target. Absolutely nothing wrong with getting the daily target and chilling. I didn't, so I'm managing the risk. If we end the day at break, if I end the day at break even, that's it. We start a lot of days with losses and then we come back, so no big deal. Interesting. You can already at the highs. That could be the catalyst. DXY is not above the liquidity pool. So let's see if we can get the next 12 minutes pushing above here. If the next 12 minutes, if we don't get here before the next 12 minutes, I lose interest in all of this. All of this. And I'll be tapped at break even and I'll feel no pain. All right, all good, all good. No problem with under leveraging and all of that good stuff. No pain, no gain. All right, gold, give me that order block. EU slowing down. So these are, I think this is coming back to my break even, because I entered somewhere close to right there. Don't need to watch it or anything like that. It's already in place. It would be cruel if it took me out at break even and then drop down, but this is the game we play. This is the game we play. And since it's moving slow, I'm not going to enter again. I'll allow the break even to hit. If you trade London, which pair will you trade? If I traded London, I'd probably trade a GBP pair. GBP odd, likely. GBP odd, likely. I love GBP odd back in the day. Yeah, and they're very fast as well. GAEA moves very fast. I don't like NAS in the overnight session. It can move, but why would I? Why would I go to London to trade NAS? Yeah, I'm not waking up. I'm not doing that either. Not doing that either. So we have the XY finally starting to do something. Not enough yet. We have AU. Everything has been held. We have NAS taking me at break even. We have UCAD retracing. So it's still a do nothing protocol. We still need this to get taken. So if you got break even, you should be fine. No NAS re-entry yet. Didn't look. Didn't look. It should make sense. It should make sense. Cruelty. See? Tapped my exact stop, which is why I was saying I don't like the idea of it still being inside here. So, selling NAS again here. No, I didn't say I sold it, right? Didn't say I sold it. I'm looking at the delivery. I'm looking at the delivery. Oh, you had a limit for CAD? CAD needs to push higher. I like this NAS. I really like this NAS trade, but it's so slow. It's so slow. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to set a limit at just above my old stop. So I'll put it at 11,140. Well, it's not going to allow me. But I was going to sell this with a 20-point stop. It's already pushing there. Still need to wait. Check for confluence. Check for time. Check for 8 AM opening price. Okay, I'm gonna go for the short with a 20-point stop. So it's at 35, so 55 for the stop loss. And then same take profit. 11,050 take profit. Okay, that's that. Let's see how M5 close. I want this M5 to push like right now. Put the full risk on. Stop is 20 points. So my stop is exactly, I'll put it here so you can see 55. Let's move this. 11155. There, that's my stop. And the same take profit from the previous trade. So I'm only risking $20 on this if I get stopped out. And if it gets me what I want, I'll net close to about $80. But logically, we'll partial to get the 360 target if it plays, and then that's that. I don't like this whole idea of it being held. The idea of this being held here is very sus. Very sus. Which means I could have maybe tightened the stop, but then that's just emotion stalking. EU shorts. With what potential? Let's see. Not bad. 20-point potential is not bad on EU. Bam. So it would need to trade up inside here. And next pair was gold. I'll go M5. Take a look at gold on the M5. I didn't like AU because of the range. It wasn't offering me enough. Yeah, it's just one-to-one, not ideal. Okay, M5 was closed. NAS needs to move now, or I'm gonna start losing interest in this trade. This M5 candle needs to close deep. Deep, deep, deep. Do you just have, yeah, I just have one position. The first one got tagged break even. Tagged break even. So I basically just lost. I think it actually slipped me. Yeah, it did. I'll send you a screenshot in the group so you can see that. I know I can sing. It's okay, guys. Don't need to tell me. Okay, NAS BE slipped. There we go. Just send that in the group. And Naz is looking nice. In the next minute, it should confirm or deny the setup. Confirm or deny. And then after that, it should just leave. I don't want to see the next 1 minute candle trading above this blue line. So new 1 minute candle just starts by watching this time. I want to see it leave this and go below here. The longer the 1 minute, this 1 minute candle stays up here, the greater the chances of them potentially spiking against us. So 38 seconds. And I want to see that. So close to break even. Today is a slow day, slow, choppy day. Not ideal, but it's all good. We know how to take a loss. Not every day is going to be perfect. On the days where we get it wrong, we manage the risk. Can you check M15 and analyze for me? NAS M15. I think this is a drawn liquidity for M15. So the M1 candle closed and it's still inside here. I'm not liking that idea, but the risk is managed. What do we do? Nothing. No losses when you take partials. True. Not moving. Really not moving. Bam, bam. It's always gold. It's always when we don't look at gold. What's Nas doing? Yeah, Nas looks like it's gonna stop us out. It's always gold. When we don't look at gold, gold seems to give the nice moves. About 30 points. Yeah, that looks like it's probably very close to stop loss. Let me check my phone. Yeah. Wait, what? That's weird. I open my phone and my trade is gone. Look at this. Let me send you a picture. Where's my NAS trade? Let me close the app and open it again. There we go. Then it pops. There we go. There. That was weird. I opened the trade and it's gone and the balance was still intact. It should, but I want to see that run. So from a correlation standpoint, it makes sense because NAS and UCAD generally go against each other. So UCAD had already started moving. DXY stuck. It makes sense, but we're not going to overthink the idea. It's just a loss. It's a managed loss. Zoom to the upside with all this liquidity. I think that's sus. I think that's very sus. Very sus is what I think. Okay, so we're down $20 on the day. I'm gonna take one more short. time frames. I'm gonna take one more short here. And that concludes the day if we take a loss. If we take a loss, that's it. But let's check the time first. Bam. London fair value. Oh, I didn't even see that. I'm looking at this here. And that's what I want to show. I want to short it above 1160, but I think 1180 is too close for SL because of this. So I'd like to short it above 1170. So that's what I'm stalking a short at 1170 with a 20-point stop. All right, there. 20-point stop. And if we get stopped out of this, it's the last trade of the day, okay? Last trade of the day. And I'm using the same take profit, but we'll manage accordingly. Okay. So that's that. Yeah, I got him at 11,171. So last trade of the day. Get stopped out, we go. Guys are funny. So we're down $23 on the day. Anybody's crying about that? No? Yeah, I sold Nas. I wanna go home. Pam. This. No, it's not imposing your will. The buy side was taken. Let me put this at 9-1. It's roughly there. 9-1 exact. Waiting for that 1024 to show up and send this guy low, and it's just stalling. Market's chopped inside a range for some reason. It's usually this profile when they're waiting for news. SL for NAS 11,191. Yeah, these lows on NAS needs to be taken. It's just a matter of, do they take us out first? And if they do, we can walk away. So the folks who took partials on first NAS, they're fine now. Just the guys like me who didn't. He's down. I think Nicholas already took partials, so he's good. Yeah. All good, guys. The importance of the calls is not the signals. It's not the signals. It's being realistic when you're trading. Sometimes you're wrong. Sometimes you're right about analysis and wrong about your trade. And then there looks like it tagged me. Let me check my phone. Yep, that just tagged me out. So I done $40 for the day, and I'm considering calling it for the day here. Let's see. There's no overwhelming need to make it back. Wrong signals today. All good. I want the high to be formed before 1024. So it's all good still. We have all of 3 minutes left. What's the XY doing? Should I even continue stalking? Let's see. Yeah, market's great. It's still in a range. I see no reason to consider the trade idea invalid, but I don't see a trade entry yet. We still have 2 minutes. If in 2 minutes we get the setup, I take it. If we don't, we walk away, and that's it for the day. I mean, no, I'm not going to do that. All the trades I take, I'm gonna share them here. So no doing that. No doing that. This is the EU order block we're looking at. We talked about this earlier, the potential that this could be taken inside here to go lower, but we wanted this first. 1 more minute. I also like this gold short. That's a lower high, high, lower high. So it's now 10:24. Let's go back to M5. Okay. 10:24 creating the highs. Well, the exact 10:24 time creating the high is a little bit cruel, but this is going to be my last trade for the day. Waiting. We have 10 seconds before the candle closes. I don't want it to pull back. Don't pull back first. Don't be cruel to me. I want to sell the high of this candle if it pushes. But it's not going to. So this is potentially a missed trade. Maybe it's for the best, who knows? That's what's in the chat. Burkina trading. You haven't gotten to that lesson as yet, so that's why you don't know. Wow. Awfully naughty, Naz. Awfully naughty. Now this looks way more enticing, but that's just my emotions talking. My emotions are saying that if I get this sell, this recovers everything and we're Gucci. But I need it to be above here. This candle's high. So anywhere between 11 to 15, 11 to 25 should be ideal for the sell. but I'm not selling before 11,215. If I put a stop at 11,215, it means my take profit, my stop loss has to be 35. And 35. $35 is not bad. But I want to see the force that they're using to push, and then I'll use that to determine if it's worth the sell. In a perfect world, I get the sell above here. So my stops can be close to 11,250, as close to 11,250 or 11,240 as possible. I'd love. Yeah, just push, push. Just give me 11,220. Even though I could be a little bit forgiving and take 11,15. 11,215. Pam, 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 pam. And almost there. Okay. All right. So I'm in and I'm putting my stop at 45. And this concludes the trading day. Win or lose, this is the last trade of the day. Has to be the last trade of the day because we've taken only losses so far. Indicator of candle close. I think it's called, wait, let me tell you. It's on here. Candle time. I think candle time is the one. Show pips is the one that shows you. So the one that's called show pips shows you all of this. Candle time is this one right here. Right there. Yeah, my target still remains the same. So now for well-needed aggression. We need to trade below here. And then retracements, I'll enter a second position at half risk. Once it trades below this candle. Let's check DXY first before we start. Okay, DXY is really pushing, which is not good. AU at big figure. 1030. I don't think there's any volatility drivers. So what's happening now? Today we got it wrong, guys. Today we just got it wrong. Or we ended too early. So let me get that half risk trade ready. UCAD at M5 OB. That's good. Because if UCAD pushes, then this should drop. Part of the business. Yeah, all good, all good, all good. Like I've said before, I'm not afraid of taking a losing trade. I'm not afraid of taking a losing trade. So we need this now to be validated. And I want to see if validating this also takes this immediately, or do we validate this, then push higher, like it did now. It takes this low and then comes back higher. In scenarios like this, I like when they play the order block below it and then inside multiple times before shifting below lows, because then that suggests that once we take this, we don't get deep retracements. Once we take this low, I tighten my stop to that. Right now it's at 285. 285 after today's losses. Today's $44 losses puts us at 285. My gut says that was an entry just now, but didn't take it. Didn't take it. Bam, 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 damn. Damn. One trade recovers all of this loss, guys. Don't worry. If we get half of the move we're expecting, we're back at break even. Because we entered somewhere here, I believe. This is 150. Half of this is our losses plus daily target. So relax and stop sweating. Maybe what I should do is for the guys who are sweating too much about their balance, if you want to remove the emotion, pull your initial investment. Pull that initial $100 and then know that you're trading with profits. Then whatever. And then if you're doing that, I'll adjust my trading style. I'll adjust my trading style and I'll be a little bit more aggressive and a little bit more precise. So remember, we're going to bring the stops down to here, but I want this to close here first. If this retracement comes back above here, I put the short, the half risk position on and put the stop there. But this is giving me breakaway gap vibes, so. Low displacement. IOFED. For those who know. No, I want to close below here before I put the stops at the high. I'm watching the potential IOFED on this setup, but it's better if it just becomes a breakaway gap and then it runs. So then here, let's see if we can get this first. Yeah, IOFED can be IOFED and breakaway gap at the same time. It just needs to not fill it in. So that high, tag that high, that would have been IOFED. Which is at 11,209. So stop playing with us, Naz, and give us what we came here for. Let's take a look at some other pairs and not get sucked into the price action. AU, UCAD. This looks nice. This looks like an already validated order block. 20-point stop is also nice. Potential for about 40. Not bad. What's this? EU. Ha! Look at you, EU. Look at you. This is 40. This looks nice. I like this EU. How do I frame stop around this? All right, let's sell EU 0.25 lots. Trade.